Hey guys, this is Kevin with Watchhimtrade.com. Today's date is April 18th, 2015. This will be a video chart on AMCN. Stock has made a big move over the last couple of weeks, like a lot of low dollar, low float stocks out there, up 100% plus. And let's see what the outlook is here. So as you can see, like I mentioned, 100% move going from $2 up to over $4. But what catches my eye up here is that the ranges of the last 2 days are inside Wednesday's range. What I mean by that is if you look at Wednesday's total range, the stock traded between 389 and 469, and on Thursday and Friday, both of those days stayed within that 389 to 469 range, with the exception of maybe 5 to 10 cents. And to me, that signals that you're starting to get some equilibrium of supply and demand. Whereas if you compare it to Friday, Monday, Tuesday, I guess Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, sorry, right here, here, all those days were just kind of blast off type moves. You didn't stay within the range of the previous day at all. You just had awesome extension, awesome open to close range action each day, and really some good solid momentum. So the momentum has slowed down a little bit, but you haven't rolled over anything. While you've stayed within Wednesday's range, you've stayed near the top end of Wednesday's range. So the bulls are doing a good job keeping the price up here, and especially good on a shakeout day on Friday when you were down towards $4. You were in the red, but ended up being able to bounce back into the green. So dip buyers showed up. I want to go into a 15-minute chart here to get a closer look and identify the price levels before then jumping back to the daily. So you can see here on this 15-minute chart, and this takes into account after hours and pre-market action as well, nice consolidation going on between about 420 and 450-ish, with some moves above 450, but for the most part you've been between 420 and 450. So that's why I like looking at intraday charts sometimes, because they can give you clearer price levels than the daily chart can. So I like this 420 area as your key momentum support in the immediate term. Hold 420, and AMCN is going higher and probably setting up to test that psychological resistance at $5. Below 420, and that is then where the daily low of $4 would come into play as key support. And just below $4, you can see here this was April 15th. So what? Wednesday's low was 389. So $4 to 390-ish will be your key support from a trend perspective as far as being able to stay long. So 420 is your momentum support. That's like your right here, right now, day trading, minute to minute, hour to hour type level. And then the 390-ish area is your trend support as far as day to day, swing trading. Are you still looking at longs, buying dips? Stay above 390. I still like it overall. So if you get below 420, look for a test on this 390, and below 390 to me would be a crack and set up a solid short trade. Just swapping back to the daily now to look at some downside targets. So if you get below that 390, I expect to then see it come back into this $3 to $3.50 range, which is kind of where this move started from. All right. On the resistance side, if we just go back and look, as the stock is at multi-month highs, hasn't been above $5 in at least over 2 years, so we might be looking at multi-year highs. I'm not going back any further than that. So watch $5 for psychological resistance. Get above that and you can go higher.